Alright everybody, welcome back to A Day in Paradise. I got my work shorts on, so it's time to begin. Now today is going to be a little simple. We're just going to finish the one little wall. It's a weekend, so can't do too much. That's the girlfriend getting mad. First thing I want to do is fix right here. The two top plates don't quite align, and that is because this bottom sill goes like that on the end, pushing it all up. Going to drill a hole in this piece of wood, put an anchor in it, bolt it down. In theory, that'll pull that corner of the wall down, leaving our top plate nice and flush. So we'll see how it goes. Well, I wanted to get some trick shots and some interesting film, so to speak. But it didn't hit record, so we didn't see any of that. We got the wall up, bolted down, it's plumbing, and what the father's doing right now is that's where our splice is for the wall. We decided to throw in another 2x4 right there just to kind of give it some rigidity. I don't think it needs to be there, but again, rigidity. And it's amateur hour, so obviously it needs to go there. Alright, wall is straight. See if you can tell. Pretty nice. Alright, that's the end of this video. And the end of this wall. Well, aside from the top plate. I know you may look at it and you said there's already a plate up there. There's two top plates. That's pretty standard everywhere. I don't know, I didn't want to do them on the floor because I'd rather just put them all up and just measure what's left over. I don't know. I thought that might be easier. Maybe halfway through the next wall, I'll start putting them up as I go. But yeah, I'll just come back and do it. Not a big deal. Anyway, we are 20 hours into this and got 40 feet of wall done. So 2 feet an hour. It's pretty ridiculous. I don't know. It's not bad. Even an inexperienced framer, I'm sure, could go quicker. But this last wall, let me show you. Alright, window here, electrical pipe here. This little window is supposed to be right there. I didn't want the window that next to the electrical panel because, well, you're not getting into the window flashing along the sides, and I don't know if that's even a code window right next to panel, and I didn't want to go look it up and find out. Instead, I just moved the window over a little bit, which threw off all the layout, which means I had to redo my layout. And also at that point, if you notice right here, the sills break, bottom plate, they break right there. So I had to figure out doing some measuring and stuff to see how that worked out. But that slowed us down. This should have been a 2-hour wall. Turned it a little over 4, but you know, it's okay. Next up, this little section right here, which is 64 feet long. So, bright and early Monday morning, we'll get to it.